By the way, I didn't want to do it. He really wanted me to do it, so...
I regret it. Doesn't. Completely missed that part. I don't know why it goes down.
Hello everyone from isolation. Neat must. I'm going to be doing, what is this, skin fade haircut on my son. I've got a video here that I'm going to follow. I will link that video below. But this could be a real disaster, as I have to first cut perfect straight line around his head. So I don't know how that's gonna work. Right, let's have a look. How high do you go?
So two fingers. Well,
so like here?
Well, Mum, I need to see the mirror as well. So
like here?
Yes, yes.
And do I start here?
Well, yeah, you do all of that.
Right. This is gonna be fun.
Please don't mess up.
So about here. I don't know how high to go at the bottom. Oh my god.
What?
Well, this is not at all. Oh, sort of mess. Yeah, this one is much lower.
You're not filling me with a lot of confidence. Well, I'd rather...
Max, I am not a barber. You wanted it.
You got no hope doing it that low.
Hang on, I think this is higher than
I'd
this.
rather you start lower and then...
Okay, I'm going to shave off now everything below it. How can they do it so straight? You will just have to walk sideways so people can only see one side at the time. I think I might have done it too high here. Look like a monk.
Why are you going all the way up there? Is that below the line? How high have you gone?
I've gone quite high. I think I should have gone a bit here.
Where is it? Are you joking?
No, it's
here.
here. Max, I don't know.
Why are you going up?
Because that's how they showed me on a bloody thing. This is not cutting now.
You're so violent.
Max, I'm as gentle as I can. This is not for cutting hair. It's for doing this, but we don't have anything to
You tell me off for
with.
shouting. You say I'm shouting.
Because you asked me to do it, and I don't want to do it. I just want to
You do this one. This one will be better.
Max, I just want to take
Okay.
the bulk of the head that the little one can't cope with. Look, I even have a brush. Stop it. Put your head down. Right, show everyone your fade. Not very straight. I don't think it's higher here, isn't it, than here? Is it? Shall we? I can't see.
Well, this one goes like that up, and then this one goes. This one's straight. This one. Look at that. How is that straight? It's because you had me sat down here and you were leaning down here trying to get the angle.
Max, I am not a barber.
Right, my head is now straight. Please tell me how that. Look at me. How is this one straight?
It needs to go higher here, doesn't it? So it sort of goes down.
Yes, it's straight. You got a level.
Hang on. Right, let me now straighten this line so it's really...
Right, make sure it's straight.
Here I think instead of going down here, I went up. This is so jaggedy. But that's alright because we are going to blend it. Right, we are on step 2 now. Trying to now fade it. We're doing 2 millimeters.
And then don't you do like 1
in
after?
a flick up motion. It's looking beautiful. Hang on, I need to do this like a proper barber. This side is looking beautiful. We're gonna make it gorgeous, Max.
So.
The only thing is, I don't know how they know it. I can't see if these sides are even. I think this one is higher than this one. Here. But that's it, I'm not making that. So, is that me done now with this?
Why do you keep using it all?
Right, let's have a look what he does after that.
And we're going to use this to blend into the longest.
Yes.
We're going
Oh, to
to
longest.
2 or 2.5 inches.
2 to 2.5 inches, I didn't go that far. Which one was it? This one I was using?
No, this one. What do you mean? You need 2.5?
No, 2, but going up 2.5 inches.
Ah, okay.
Yes, beautiful. Right, what's after that?
And we're going to make sure that it's nice and smooth.
Yeah, it's nice and smooth.
On top of any shortness.
I understand this.
So you're so we're gonna go 1.5, and then you're gonna go down to 1. So we've got 1.5.
So now I need to make like another band here.
So when they say 1 long, they mean half. Is it making another line?
Sort of.
Do you try and use this one? This one looks quite nice.
Yeah, but I
you
don't
can do
know
1.5. Yeah.
Is it 1.5?
I can do 1.6, which is pretty much the same.
Let's have a look.
That's 1.6. Hang on. That's a 1.6, same thing. Press the plus. Is it easier to do it with this?
I suppose so.
Look, and then, have you gone all around my head with the 1.6?
Yes.
Okay.
So now
we need a 1. What is a 1?
And I'm fading that little line here, yeah?
Yeah, with the 1. So this line should disappear now when you use this. I'll put it on the right side.
Let me see how he does it.
Without passing the upper line.
So don't pass the upper line, obviously. You missed a bit right at the front. There you go.
This we will take care of last. Try to.
So you want to make that middle line disappear.
Oh my God! There is no line. Look.
Oh my God.
The only problem with it will be that it's not going to be that
straight.
Straight. You see, this is definitely lower than the other one.
Bring it up then.
I think I need to go. Well, what
That's
did we
way
do
too
before?
low. So you did a 2.
No. When to create the other line, what did I go to? 2.
1.5.
Can you do 1.5? So I can just do this.
Did you do the 2 high enough on this side? Are you sure?
I don't know. Right, that looks better now. That's it. That looks better. Right. This side is beautiful.
Now this side's way higher than that side. Look. Look at that. This goes up to here, and this one's down here. Look. Come on.
So
this side's way higher. This one goes down, up, down.
Well, what do I do now? It's too late. If I start going back...
Why are you going up on this side?
So it's even to the other side.
Well, yeah, you've got to go further up on this side now.
No, I'm not going because you will end up with line here.
But it's not. Look at this. This one's here, right up there. This one
Oh my
is down
God,
here.
do it yourself then.
Well, I'm going to have to.
Go on then. We'll see. Oh my God, you're making a line now.
What line?
This is not blended now.
What have you done?
What have I done? You just did that.
This one's down here.
Right, don't worry about the
So,
front.
look, take this up to match on that side.
Oh my god, that's gonna just, let me do 2.5. Because that's just gonna, it's not blended.
Well, you're going to blend it after by doing the 1.5s and the 1s. That's what you do. The first step was the 2. It didn't look blended to start with, did it? Why are you going higher on this side?
No, because they had just like a longer bit here. And then what do I do there?
But why is it here? And then it's
Because we've done it wrong at some point, and I can't now glue your hair back on.
Right, this actually looks okay. That I can deal with. But I don't understand why it goes like this.
Because you kept telling me to go higher
So why
and
aren't you going higher
higher.
all the way around?
Well, then I have to start the process from
Exactly,
the beginning.
yeah, because we messed it up, so that's what you've got to do. Because you... What is that? This side doesn't look too bad. This...
I obviously can't do this.
Shit.
I obviously can't do this.
Why are you neglect...
I like this bit.
Don't say you like...
I don't want to cut this bit.
What are you doing to me?
I don't know, have a look. These are bits out. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, this is a bit bad here.
You're not in a state to be cutting my hair right now.
Alright, come on. You're pointing here.
He looks like one of those Amish people.
Oh look, I've straightened it.
Oh look, you've actually done it straight. I think I've been telling you to do for the last half an hour.
Oh, hang on, there is a little bit here. There. So what now? Now you want me to do the second line? Won't that be too high?
But look, this... The way you've done it on this side, it looks like there's almost been a 1.5 that's gone up there.
Yeah, because
round.
that was the second line that I was doing.
But it looks...
So-
look at this side looks decent. That side doesn't.
I think he looks very nice.
This side, I can actually do...
Just walk around like that.
You completely missed that part. I don't know why it goes down. Look at it! I did a straight line!
Max, I can't keep straightening it.
But you're not straightening it. You're going higher and lower.
But I thought it's supposed to go slightly down. Okay, so this was a huge disaster. I'm not doing it anymore. We're just going higher and higher up, and I can't blend it out. You can...
Jesus.
How are you gonna blend it?
I need a big mirror so I can see. I need a big mirror behind me.
Max, you can't cut or blend your hair yourself in the back. Anyway, show everyone what a lovely job I've done. It looks quite straight actually, it's just not blended. So all I can do is start from the hang on. I can start from the beginning and you just will have it much higher.
Let me just make this all the same length.
Okay.
Because even all of that isn't still the same length.
That's it. I'm not doing anymore. Otherwise, we're gonna end up with just mohawk. By the way, I didn't want to do it. He wanted to do it. I have no idea how to use these things, what they do. It was a total disaster. Don't do it at home. Bye. I think he looks very nice.
This side, I can actually do.
Just walk around like that.